Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go to solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2001 AMC question number 5. Each principal at Lincoln High School serves exactly one 3-year term. What is the maximum number of principals the school could have during an 8-year period? So we can just start by drawing like 8 slots for the 8 principals. Not 8 principals, for the 8 years. Each principal at Lincoln High School serves exactly one 3-year term. So to maximize this, we can set one of these years to be the final year for one. And then we have 2, 2, 2 for 3 years. And then we have the next one, which is 3, 3, 3 for 3 years. And then we have our fourth one, which starts on the 8th year onwards. So this way we have 4 principals. Another way is if we had these 2 years occupied by 1, 2, 3. This way we have only 3. And if we had this first one occupied by 3, it would still be only 3, which means that our maximized version is when it's 4.